I walk around like Simba.
How'd you restart so fast?
It's called PC, man.
My bad.
My bad.
If it says out of sync,
then let's scream and shout and let it all out.
I feel a song coming.
I'm semi, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply. I call it mathematics.
Did you just hear that from my phone?
Kinda, a little bit.
Oh, I was gonna say, I was top most hated songs. Wait.
You should like turn that off, honestly.
My bad.
Disappointed, Loot Lake. You down and a half.
You ready to go to Taco Bell tomorrow? With your ex hole?
Did she say yes?
Yeah.
I'm down.
Lauren, Cece, Jarrett, and Julie.
How about your house?
You're coming over after. Jarrett and Julian can too if they want. Well, Jarrett and Julian could too, but Lauren could too. Lauren's already been to my house.
Make her come, dude.
That's your job, bud. You make her come all the time.
I just got an RPG. What?
Give it to the noob over here. What? No, I'm just kidding. There's a pump over here. Ow! Shut up. Oh, there's minis up there?
Where?
Right here. Drop me one? Question mark? Oh my god, you fucking noob.
Oh. Draw me one question mark? Oh. No. Here. Here. Behind you. Mr. Sister.
No. Oh wait, yes. I didn't know you had a big pot.
You gotta know this stuff.
Generous.
Misa got a suppressed scar. Oh my gosh, I lost my loot. I'm so bad at the game.
People 15 by Modern House. People wherever those shots came from.
Bro, that call out just like.
Oh my god, I just got a suppressed scar. Dude, Tommy is so sick with crazy.
I got a big pot for you, cousin.
People at, what's it called?
At factories, yeah, they're farming zombies, I think.
Oh, there's a purple heavy AR on me too if you want it.
Purple heavy AR?
Yeah, and a trap.
Yeah, I'll take that.
And a person.
I have a big
He's the noobiest kid ever.
I have a big pot for you.
Okay, well, if you give me the big pot, I'll give you this trap.
Here, I
Trap's right here.
There.
And the heavy AR is behind you, yeah. Should I full kill this kid? No. There's a kid literally right there, look, Tommy. I killed him. Okay. Are you proud of me?
Yeah, I just bait him.
I'll hold these bandages then.
Bro, what's being tossed? I've never heard of that. Oh. How many minutes?
What do you have? I see him. He dropped down?
Bro, I can't even see, bro. Like.
Oh, hi, we had the same idea. How many minis?
Bro, what is my aim? So bad.
Oh my god.
Don't eat. Bro.
There's 2 big pots.
Bro.
Do you want this?
Yes, please. Oh.
Sit down. Be humble. Wait. I took fall damage? I'm not that. Oh, there's a golden zombie over here. Oh, a hunter rifle?
Bro, I want that hunting rifle. I was about to go for that, but like...
Are you giving me... Did you leave the big pots over there?
Yeah.
There's 2 of them. Is that zombie coming for you now?
No. I'm chilling. Just go. You can
I think it's a pump.
I think it's...
Oh, should I carry these big pots and drink this, jug?
Yeah.
Drop. Oh, there we go. 3 big pots too. Let's go. Drop me that chug, question mark?
You have that hunting rifle?
No, it's still down there.
Alright, I'm good.
Let's rift to go.
Do you have rockets?
No, I do not.
I kinda want... I'm just gonna take it.
Are you actually dropping this P90 or are you just temporarily
You can have
dropping
it, you can have it.
Alright, bet, let's rift to go then.
Alright.
Nooblets. Look at all these nooblets. Look at all those chickens.
Honestly, you do a pretty good impersonation.
Look at all those chickens.
Chickens. No, you gotta like say what you gotta say chickens with enthusiasm.
Look at all those chickens.
Yeah. That's more like it.
Just scream and shout. Whoa, these guys can edit, dude. That's a good idea. I kinda need mats.
You need that.
Hey man, I literally only have 100.
I literally had like 40, but like...
Wait, you got to see Jarrett today, didn't you?
Yeah, if only you can.
I was gonna, but I didn't have a ride.
Yeah. But somebody left a trap. What kind of monster? Kinda wanna farm these zombies, but like... No.
But not at the same time, because we have no ammo.
Yeah.
Just scream and shout. Like,
I don't know if those are the words.
it's Dude, look, diving boards actually give you bounce. I played this game for like 3 months without knowing diving boards and fire hydrants gave you bounce.
You're good.
I'm a bot.
B-O-T.
Let's interact with these gays shooting at zombies. Wherever they are. No, I see the gays. I think it's just one. Let's see how close we can get to him.
I'm so bad.
I am 32. He's noob. He is a nooblet.
A young nooblefer.
Okay, he's actually a god. Never mind. I'm joking. Ah, he's a god. Tommy, you should have seen his building.
I know.
Tommy, I'm scared.
He has not the best of
He's one shot, I think. He's dead, you suck, piece of freaking crap. Okay, dogs. Can you rap, dude? Let me drink a big pot, and I'll give you one. Tommy? Big pot?
There's a big boy on me. Like, big boy. Oh, yo, he's not trying to
there's
fight.
a big. Oh, there's a chug jug too. Dude, this. Oh, wait, don't let this gun fall off. Oh,
It was
a rip.
yeah.
There's a rip to go to though.
Jennifer, would you prefer?
I know you playing games. I know that you are hurt, baby girl. That you know where I hurt. Jennifer. All right, let's go zone. Oh, I got a launch pad. Launch pad. Let's save it. Let's save it. Let's save it. Let's save it. Let's save it, Tommy.
Alright, man.
Mm!
Are you scooter fag?
Where'd you hear that from?
I don't know. I just like the only time I've seen you like riding around on a scooter with a scooter.
You saw me riding on a scooter? You see me at Discovery?
No, I'm give me that AR.
I was gonna say, I was a scooter fag back in like 2017. Just kidding.
Oh,
Tommy, did you know I've only lived here? Did you know I've only lived here for 3 years? 2 years?
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Should we shoot this down or what? This plane?
Yeah.
Tagged it 29, tagged it 29, tagged it
Yeah,
29,
yeah,
tagged
yeah.
it 29. I'm just kidding,
I
just
hit
kidding.
him 50. I hit him 50. Let's launch. Let's launch.
He's just hiding behind this rock. Jennifer, what? Oh my god, he freaking shotgun. This kid is such a bot.
Yeah. I hit him for like 60. You're gonna kill him.
No, he's lagging. What the? Bro,
Let me just
alright,
snag
whatever.
all the loot.
It's all good, it's all good. You know damn well you'll hit more shots with it anyways. Dude, that kid was lagging so hard on my stream, and then he just stood still.
Yeah. You have another launch pad?
Oh, I have 5 traps, here you go.
Alright.
Hold up. Wait, you can have a couple more. I'm gonna go shoot these zombies for the
I just
a
want
little bit of health. Oh, there's a big one.
Big boy.
Dude, what is with us?
Give me that AR ammo. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Oh, I think I'm max rockets. Let's go. Oh my, what a bot.
What a bot. There's kids over here. Why do I only have one shot I want to talk about it. I'm using nature as my...
Do you not have mats?
Like, kinda.
One is launchpad, launchpad.
One time I'm down.
No, like, go.
Send me.
You said you had a launchpad.
I have another launch pad. I said, do you want the... I said, do you have a launch pad?
Oh, I thought you said I got another launch pad, so I was like, alright, bet, let's launch.
I said, you got a launch pad?
Where are these kids at? Oh.
No. Snipe me. I only have one kill.
You're welcome for the carry. Oh, this kid's got a freaking...
How did that?
Is he, tell me he's not freaking P90 me. Are you serious? Oh my god!
Ta-da!
Dude, can you destroy these zombies? And maybe get me actually because of this one? Okay there, bud.
Bro, I literally...
You might not be able to get me. I'm dead. It's okay, Tommy, clutch up for once.
Alright, we don't talk about the other time.
I was messing around at the end, cause, well, the one time I messed around, I grappled towards him and tried to like no-scope him because I thought you were gonna, like, it was easy dub. But then the second time I was 10 mats away from getting on the mountain and getting in the zone, and then, so stupid, I couldn't get in the zone. Yeah, you drink that big.
Whoa.
It's probably the last two duos fighting. Time for you to third party and a half. Yeah, man. You should've got my mask, guy. Wait, hold up. What?
Hey, big boy.
Please not touch my boy. Say goodbye to your life. Oh, there's 3 people up. And there goes one of them. Let's see if he meds. Oh, the last guy's knocked, guys. Okay, well his boy's gone, so 1v1.
Yo. Don't touch my...
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Ha! Let's go.
Easy.
Oh, shut up!